Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can print messages and emails on Canary Mail. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to the email you would like to print. You can do that, for example, through a folder inside a connected inbox here on Canary Mail. I will go with that folder and that example mail here. Now you need to open it with your left mouse in that overview. And then guys, you will see these three dots in the top right corner of the given message. Click into it. Select print. And then you will see that overview here. And what you want to do next, guys, is simply click into this button on bottom right. That is going to redirect you to that short setup. So here, simply make sure that the given printer you would like to use is selected. You may choose the amount of copies, choose a landscape or portrait layout, then the number of pages, the coloring, and that's it, guys. Now you can access also more settings like the paper size, like A4, letter A5, and simply go through that setup, guys. And once you're content and would like to start, simply click into print at the bottom. Make sure that your printer is connected to your device, and that is going to start or initiate the printing process. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.